Imagine you walk into work tomorrow and you confront your bosses about underpaying you. And when they ask why, you simply put your foot on the table and say, as a person with this type of foot, I should be paid more. As wacky as that sounds, according to new research, your feet can actually be an indicator of your wealth. How much you will earn based on your type of foot. According to new research analysis from the UK from Onbuy, there is a type of foot that earns 15% more than others. Onbuy got participants from around the world to send in images of their feet and disclose their annual salaries. The foot types have some weird names, and I'm not sure where they got these from, but let's look into the results. Weirdly, what is ironically known as peasant's foot earns 15% more than the average person. Peasant's foot is also the rarest type of foot. People with a peasant foot are known for their strategic thinking and consistency, meticulously contemplating the pros and cons for both big and small decisions. These qualities allow for consistent and positive career growth, continuing to their financial success, Kaz Payton, CEO and founder of Onbuy.com, said. Peasant's foot is 3 toes that are equal in length. So if you have these, going back to the meeting about your raise, you can tell your boss that I have peasant's foot and therefore I deserve 15% more than everyone else. The second highest earning foot type is the square foot, where all toes are the same length. This type of foot earns 10% more than the average, which I think you might need because you probably need to buy special wide shoes. Kaz Patton said, people with square feet are typically eager to seize every opportunity without hesitation. This adaptability and determination are key when looking for professional and financial growth. Next we have Greek foot, also known as the flame foot. This type of foot is determined by a protruding second toe and is one of the most common foot types according to the survey. According to Kaz Patton, people with this type of foot are innovative, coming up with the best ideas and remaining at the center of attention. Greek-footed people were equally well equipped for networking in fast-paced environments. Next we have stretch foot, which Kaz Patton said, also known as the traveler's foot, those with this type of foot typically want to explore the world and learn about themselves. This is arguably why they are not amongst the highest earners, which I completely disagree with. I think worldly people who are interested in traveling explore more and therefore are exposed to more ways of thinking. They then incorporate this knowledge into their work and therefore earn more. Next we have the Roman foot type. These type of people have toes pointing inward and are known to be cautious. Patton says unlike those with square feet, they sometimes are too afraid to jump at opportunities, stalling their professional progression and subsequently their salary. Finally, there are the Egyptian and Simian foot types who earn the least, and there's no quotes on these, so too bad for those people. And I saved this to last to mention, but I actually have Simian foot, so I should be earning the lowest apparently. So if you feel sorry for me, please subscribe to cheer me back up. My goal with this channel is to cover weird stories like this to make it more interesting, but to also cover some serious advice as well. Let me know your foot type in the comments, and if you earn a high, low, or average salary, let's see if this analysis really checks out. As always, regardless of your foot type, good luck.